Hey guys, I made lip balm holder keychains. You could always adjust the measurements to fit other things. If you add a lip balm or mini hand lotion that looks like this, I would add about 1/2 inch to the length. For the strap, the width depends on the size of your clasp. This clasp had a 3/4 of an inch opening, and this one had a 3/8 of an inch opening. Multiply it by 4 for the width. The length was 2 inches. I used this one. Fold it in half, iron it, open it, fold the sides to the center, iron it, and fold it in half again. Then sew 1/8 of an inch from the edge on both sides of the strap. Place it through the opening of the clasp, align the ends, and sew 1/8 of an inch from the edge. I used this mid-weight interfacing. I made a 2.5 by 7 1/4 of an inch template. I cut a piece of interfacing, ironed it onto the back of my fabric, and cut it out. I cut out another piece of fabric that was the same size but without interfacing. On the front side of the piece, place the strap in the middle. Align the stitched part with the top edge. I sewed 1/8 of an inch from the edge to keep it in place. Place the other piece on top with the back sides facing out and sew 3/8 of an inch from the edge. Leave an opening to turn it inside out. Cut around the corners so that the fabric won't bunch. Then turn it inside out. I use a crochet hook to reach the corners. Then iron it. Next, fold it. This top part was 1 inch. Then sew 1/8 of an inch around the edges. I made more. And here's how they turned out.